Now the rest of the people started paying in the last minute.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of
Out Country.
All right, we are here at the live auction. This may or may not be a one-part video to this day. It's just kind of gonna have to see how this day goes.
We
We
have no
might
clue.
split it up into 2 videos, but we are here. You see the pods?
Yep. All these pods. So we have no clue. We got no clue.
There's supposed to be four of them today. I don't see anybody here with any big trucks or trailers, so it's kind of looking like our competition might not be too bad today.
No, it might not.
So we'll see. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, put the notification bell on, because you're gonna want to see what we end up with today. The smaller ones. That's good. That's good for us.
Yeah, it's not really big.
That's good for us.
Yep.
That's a score right there. Yes! What I'm talking about. We need a one loader. We need a one loader since we're like another 100 miles away from home again. So that is a good sign. It's a smaller one.
Yeah.
Boom. Here he comes. Just got us registered. We are number...
You can go ahead and
6.
film too.
He said it's okay to film?
He goes, go ahead.
So we're number 63.
Yep. Someone paid up. One person paid up. So we got 3 lockers.
Oh, there's only 3? Ah.
I'm gonna sit down because it's a little chilly.
Yeah, it's chilly. We got till 10, right?
Yeah. Well, until everyone registers and gets it out here, we'll probably get going then. But boom, I got number 63. And I was like, do you mind if I film? He's like, nah. I was like, cool.
I'm gonna throw my hat on.
We'll be right back with you guys.
All right, we're opening it up.
Offer you one today. Now the rest of the people started paying in the last minute.
The rest of the people start paying.
Looks like all household
One more time.
household items.
That's a bunch of furniture.
Yep. If it goes cheap.
Yeah.
This is the only one they said?
Yeah, that's the only one.
Damn it.
But everyone else came up and paid, but we got more coming up. And I said, but if this one goes cheap, there's a lot of mattresses. It's a lot of big furniture.
Yeah.
I'm not getting any better.
But we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Thank you all for coming to, I wish we had a few more to offer you, but household items, looking at starting this one at $100. We got $100 out here. We got 100, how about 150? 150, how about 200, 200, 250? 250, 300, I got 350, I got 400 at number 11, 52, 500, I got 500 at number 11, 550, I got 550 at number 52, 600, I got 600 at number 11, 650, 625, 625 at number 52, 650, 650 at number 11, 675, I got 650 at number 11, I got 675, 675 on number 52,
I know.
675 on number 52, 700, 675 on number 52 is going to go once, 675 on number 52, 700. I got 700 on number 11. 725. 700 on number 11.
She's regretting it already.
700 on number 11 is going to go once. 700 is going twice. Sold.
All right. Well, Our first live auction was
It was a bust.
It was a bust.
It was a bust, but
at the same time, it was still really exciting and really fun. But I cannot believe that locker went up to 700. And what happened was there was supposed to be 4 units.
But
and the
3 people.
3 people came.
3 people came and paid, so there was good stuff in those.
Yeah.
And in that one, I did see a jewelry box. So the limit was $200. I was willing to go $250, but no way we were paying $700 for that.
There was some couple good things in there, but $700, and it only went that high because there was no other lockers.
But there'll be a next time.
Oh, there'll be a lot more.
And there'll be a lot next times. And luckily, as soon as we left this place, we're in Milwaukee. We got the whole day, so we got an awesome day with me and my beautiful wife to go out and have some fun. So we're gonna stop at this Goodwill and do some thrifting.
Yep. So we're gonna go around and see if we
corner.
can find some more thrift stores. First one we saw right around the corner was a Goodwill. So we're gonna go in and check it out, see what we can find.
All right.
So we might not have gotten anything at the auction, but we didn't come home completely empty-handed. We did find something when we ran into Goodwill, and this is awesome vintage Firestone truck. I'm gonna put this up on eBay. They are worth a little bit of money. Yeah. This one's not in the great condition.
Rockford, Illinois.
But I think we can get something for it up on eBay. So it wasn't a total loss today. We got something. All right, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn your notification bell on. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you at the next auction.
Yee!